To get started with Nova Bot on GMGN, you will first need to create a GMGN account. Upon signing up, you can receive a 30% discount on all trading fees. Next, open a new tab and navigate to the official Nova Bot website. From there, download the Chrome extension, which will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. Click the Add to Chrome button. Then confirm by clicking Add Extension. This will install the Nova Bot extension, which you can verify by closing the tab and returning to the Nova Bot website. Click Connect Telegram to initiate the connection process, and choose either the app or web version of Telegram. Once connected, a new window will open. Click Launch Nova Click, and then Open Link to establish the connection. Upon successful connection, you will see a Success message. Click Got it, and return to Telegram. Hover over the menu, click on it, and select Settings followed by Nova Click. Ensure that Use Panel Settings button is green, as a red button indicates that it needs to be activated. With the Nova Bot extension installed and configured, navigate to GMGN and locate the extension, which may appear as a pause icon. Pin the extension for easier access. Then click on it to enable it. The GMGN website will refresh, displaying various presets that you can adjust according to your needs. You can apply the Nova extension to any coin on the GMGN website, allowing you to start using it immediately.